Hey guys, Adam with Behm Muscle Joint Clinic. We got Katie with us today for our foam rolling exercise number 2. So this one is for the quad, which is a muscle group in the front of our leg, made up of 4 muscles. One flexes our knee, the other 3 and extends our leg, the other 3 just extend the knee. So this is a great one to do for someone that has maybe anterior knee pain, runners that have they're really quad dominant, kind of sagittal plane dominant folks. This would be a great one to kind of roll out. So for this one, you're basically going to kind of keep your foam roller flat, and then you don't want to roll the knee itself or up in the hip. So kind of work that area just below the hip and just above the knee. And you're trying to go nice and slow and controlled. And so for this one, like Katie's rolling her left quad, she can actually put her right leg over her left to add a little bit more compression into the foam roller. Just an FYI, it is not the greatest feeling in the world, but we're trying to get decreased tone out of the muscle. So we're working on breaking up adhesions, breaking up scar tissue, getting the muscles to slide and glide independently from one another. Go ahead and do this. Work that whole muscle belly several times in reps, and then several times in sets. So go ahead and give this one a try.